Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create color changing eyes on Dress to Impress. So you do need custom makeup for this one. I'm just going to select like an eye here, and you're just going to want to open up the like color wheel here and then jump out of your seat. Make sure the color wheel is still on, and when you move the color wheel around, your eyes are going to change color. That's pretty much it, really. It's that simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!